Hello everyone! This is Paukšta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of one more dress we made this summer. Have a look at the dress we made for Inga. The dress was made on the basis of the basic pattern. The dress is asymmetric. How to make a pattern for this dress? I have a video on how to make summer dresses using mock-ups. Notice that there are princess seams in this dress. The dress fits the bust perfectly, and it's wider down from this point. Due to this design, the dress makes Inga look much slimmer. Turn around, please. As I've already said, the dress is asymmetric. There are two gorgeous flounces on one shoulder. Have a close look at them. There is a shoulder strap on the other shoulder. The dress is made of cotton with silk in its structure. I know that the dress looks as if it was made of organza. This is why the fabric is not that soft, even though it looks very light. Inga loves the dress. She says that it's very convenient. Notice that the stripes are not straight, they are slightly biased. It makes the dress look very beautiful. Due to this fact, the dress also looks wavy. The length is perfect for Inga. I love the design of the dress. I recommend you making such interesting summer dresses. Turn around, please. The flounces look very beautiful. They are long on the back, then on the front. Notice that the flounces are stitched not on the bust center, but on the side. The flounces add a bead about the waistline on the front and right under the waistline on the back. There are two flounces on the shoulder. Due to the fact that there is no flounce on this shoulder, the zipper is inserted in this side seam. It's more convenient for Inga to zip and unzip the dress this way. Don't be afraid of making asymmetric dresses. Last time I showed you a review of the simple dresses. This one is very complicated. Asymmetry, flounces, stripes. Flounces make the garments look very beautiful. I recommend you making dresses with flounces. I'm glad that we decided to show you this dress, even though the autumn is on. It's still warm in some parts of the world. You can make the neckline deeper if you want. Have a close look at the back. This is the shoulder seam. We showed you how this dress looks like on the body. Next, Inga will take the dress off for me to show you its wrong side. The dress is lined. The lining is made of the silk cambric. Next, Inga will take the dress off and I will show you the wrong side. Next, I want to show you how this dress looks like from the wrong side. Have you watched the tutorials on how to make a dress with leopard print? Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. Some of the techniques which I showed you in those tutorials can be applied when making such dresses. I will show you the wrong side of the dress next. When making garments of such fabrics, make sure that the seams are soft and thin. There should be no thick seams or strong details in such dresses. This is very important. Notice that the zipper ends with a crochet. We attached it here for the dress to be zipped and unzipped without problems. Let's have a look at the wrong side of the dress. Just imagine how many different amazing garments we can sew together. You may like this dress or not, but I'm happy to know that I taught you all the needed techniques for making it. The lining is made of cambric. The fabric is very light. Have a look at the way the lining is attached to the facing. I showed you how to do it in the videos about the leopard print dress. I remind you that the facing and the lining together should be even to the dress of the main fabric. I showed you how to make patterns for such details. It's not hard to do it. There is a shoulder strap on one side and a tight shoulder on the other. It's about 4 centimeters wide. The bottom was edged with a very thin baby hem. The dress is very light and beautiful. I love the dress. It's gorgeous. How many different dresses do we need? The more, the better. I don't know about you, but I change clothes quite often in summer. It's very hot outside, so I don't like wearing one and the same item for the whole day. Make dresses of different designs and colors. Having a perfect basic pattern, you can sew almost anything you want. We use basic patterns made on the basis of my 10 measurement cutting system. You can use any other basic pattern as well. I want every one of you to learn to sew accurately, to be able to make tiny seams, to edge the seams, to double the details. It's not hard to make such dresses. Watch the videos on how to make asymmetric summer dress. It's also not hard to make such flounces. Remember that practice makes perfect, and use your imagination. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos. Press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.